Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, and once that content is open and visible on your screen, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. So just a click of it, those two buttons together will give you the pop-up right here letting you know that the screenshot has been captured. And we had two options under that screenshot visible. So we have scroll and share. Scrollable screenshots are accessible and content that can be scrolled down on, like settings page. So anything that is full screen, scrollable down. Anyway, once you have captured your screenshots, you can find them in your Photos application under Library, Screenshots. And here you'll find all the screenshots that I've captured over the time. And here are the two that I have just captured on the video. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.